Skill number 6. Image quotation. It is possible to save images from books, articles, and web pages to a reference. I'm going to add an image quotation to this reference or this document. I am going to click on Quotations and Comments found in the middle pane and then click on New. Choose Image or File. Click on Add File and then choose the appropriate image you want to add. Now the image is added. It's going to take a little time for the image to be uploaded to Citavi. It is also possible to have an image quotation from within that reference. For example, in this document or from this reference, I would like to have an image quotation from page 4, figure 1. I click on the snapshot icon found at the top of the screen and then I hover my mouse over figure 1. And then I click on Image Quotation. A window pops up. I'm going to rename this and give it a name, the additive effect of transformational leadership model. Once done, I am going to click on OK. You can now see that this reference or this document have 3 different knowledge items attached to it. One is an image quotation from within its PDF document itself. The other is a direct quotation or a blue highlight. And the third one is an image quotation, an image attached from an external source.